About this item, contains 1. 10-pound box of dog treats for dogs over 20 pounds. Crunchy texture helps to clean teeth and freshen breath. Fortified with 12 vitamins and minerals to help keep dogs at their best. Wholesome, tasty treats that you can feel good about giving. Produced in Buffalo, New York. Ingredients: ground whole wheat, wheat flour, meat and bone meal, milk, beef fat, preserved with BHA/BHT, salt, natural flavor, dicalcium phosphate, calcium carbonate, malted barley flour, brewer's dried yeast, sodium metabisulfite, used as a preservative, minerals, ferrous sulfate, zinc oxide, manganese oxide, copper sulfate, calcium iodate, sodium selenite, vitamins, vitamin E supplement, niacin supplement, vitamin A supplement, decalcium pantothenate, riboflavin supplement. Pyridoxine hydrochloride, vitamin D3 supplement, folic acid, biotin, vitamin B12 supplement, BHA, used as a preservative. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.